Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this merit prediction filter on TikTok. Okay, this is the effect. To get this effect, what you have to do, just go to trending section and remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. What you can do, tap on the search button and here search for merit prediction. Okay, the first one with 241.7k videos. This is the effect. Tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the search. What you can do, go to your For You page and here search for merit prediction filter. Okay, you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there. It's in yellow. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. Okay, so here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Okay, now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, that's it, you got the filter. Okay, to use this filter, what you have to do is better go to 60 second or go to 10 second where you will get 400 years. Okay, so to use this, just drop the ring. Okay, first tap on the record button, drop the ring. Okay, wait for it. Come on, man. Okay, I am not so lucky. Hope you guys are lucky. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.